For optimum operation of your pressurized filter system, your filters must be in good order. It is also important that you carry out maintenance and filter changes on time and correctly. In this instruction video, we explain how this should be done. 1. Check display. When a red light is displayed, it is time to change the filters or have an annual inspection. You can do this as follows. 2. Personal protective equipment. Before replacing the filters, protect yourself with personal protective equipment. If required, these are available from your BMAir reseller. Unpack the disposal bag provided and take it to the machine. 3. Remove contaminated filters. Open the system according to the instructions. Remove the used filters that are present. Pack the removed contaminated filters in the supplied disposal bag. When removing the activated carbon filters, ensure that you do so in a safe manner. For instance, use a professional access platform. Pack the removed filters in the provided disposal bag. Check the seals of the unit and check for any possible damage. Also, inspect all parts where the filters and gasket are normally located, such as the bottom of the unit. Clean the unit thoroughly. After removing the filter, dispose of your personal protective equipment in the disposal bag. 4. Install new filters. When installing the new Combi filters, make sure that the RFID tag is placed correctly. Make sure that the tag and the sensor are correctly aligned. The pre-filter has a magnetic sensor, so make sure that these are aligned. Also, make sure that you always place the supplied P1 pre-filter before the P3 HEPA or active carbon Combi filter. Close the system properly. Reset the hour count of filter 1 and filter 2 on the control system in the cabin. Do this according to the instruction card. If you use the VOC sensor, do not forget to calibrate it annually. 5. Inspection. Have your system inspected once a year. This is recommended in some countries and compulsory in others. Your system is now ready for use again.